Sometimes you get a tool in that's just bad. This is the Doberman 4.5-inch circular saw that comes with a lot of accessories. The circular saw comes with two 4.5-inch wood cutting blades, two masonry and tile cutting blades. It also comes with two soft metal and PVC cutting blades. It also comes with a guide, so if you're on the edge of a piece of wood, you can follow it directly and keep a good line of sight. It comes with this handle right here so you can get a good strong grip. It has a warranty card with it and super clear instructions. It also has a laser line on it to help you keep your cuts going straight. This is the Doberman one-handed circular saw. I like this thing a lot. It cuts extremely well. And if you're interested, there's a link down below. I think you'll be impressed. Check it out today.